So in the beginning, we want to make sure you're starting off with clean hands, and I like to wear gloves because you want this process to be as sanitary as possible because you are dealing with stuff that's going to go on people's lips. So these are the rose petals I'm going to be using, and I'm just going to set those to the side for right now. But I'm going to talk to you guys about the pipette. So this is the pipette that I have already cut. You just cut it on both sides. And I'm going to stick that onto my 60 ml syringe. And normally I would tape the syringe and the pipette together because sometimes the pressure can form when you're pushing your gloss through, and sometimes your pipette can slide off and you don't want that. So I would recommend using tape around it, but I didn't have any tape for this video, so I just make sure it was on there. So here I am putting my Versagel into my bowl, and now I'm going to be adding my oils of my choice. You can use any type of oils that you want, but I personally like to use oils that promotes healing and shine and glossiness for all day. So yeah, you can use any oil of your choice, but these are the ones that I'm using. Skin, I love rose petals. Oh my goodness. But yeah, I'm adding the rose petals, and I'm just going to give that a really good stir. So now I'm adding a little bit of pink pigment just to give the gloss a subtle color to it. I mean, the gloss is still going to come out clear, but for presentation purposes, I wanted it to have a little bit of color. So now I'm just going to mix it up and give it a really good stir and try to get as many air bubbles as I can out. So now